forgive me for my dirt. Forgive me for my dirt. Been praying so much that my knees hurt. My knees hurt. Hail Mary, Hail Mary, Hail Mary, Hail Mary, Hail Mary, Hail Mary. Please forgive me for my dirt. Forgive me for my dirt. Been praying so much that my knees hurt. My knees hurt. I've done a lot of dirt, the type of shit you only see in the movies. I had a pistol at a young age while other kids were trying to decide who had cooties. I was filling up my lungs with smoke, listening to the Fugees. Straight klepto, I stole anything I got my hands on. Then I turned around and flipped the double the price. Ain't no way I'm gonna live and struggle. I'm straight out the mud, but I found that treasure when I shoveled. I put in work, if I want money, gotta get off the couch. I ain't talking about a little bit of money, motherfucker, you better sell more than an ounce. Stack those dead presidents, but don't be dumb, don't sell out your residence. You're giving the alphabet boys more evidence, so pay attention. Don't do the crime if you ain't down to do time. I'm down for whatever. I'm in the driver's seat, reloading my 9. Is this the only way to make my life better? Wait for some people to leave. I got a few tricks up my sleeve. I quietly step to the back of the house and look in. All the lights are out. Try to lift the window, but it's locked. If I break the glass, the neighbors call the cops. Fuck it, I'ma use that little spark plug piece. Throw it at the window, make that thing shatter with ease. Hail Mary, Hail Mary, Hail Mary, Hail Mary, Hail Mary. Please forgive me for my dirt. Forgive me for my dirt. Been praying so much that my knees hurt.